The Young and the Restless reveals that Victor is becoming more and more controlling in everything, and that makes him feel more comfortable. He tries to change the human resources in his company, but that brings many new problems. He doesn't listen to anyone's advice, and it makes everyone feel uncomfortable. Nikki also helps her husband manage Newman Media, but she also feels Victor is going too far. Will she help him change back? He bought McCall Unlimited from Tucker for Adam to manage, even managed to convince Nick and Sharon to participate too, and everything was quickly merged with Kristen Incorporated. However, Adam did not feel satisfied with that and had even greater ambitions. Victor tries to follow up and hopes their project can develop in a positive direction, but perhaps this is not as stable as he expected. Adam is constantly thinking of ways to take over Newman Media for himself. He takes advantage of Audra's secrets and threatens her. However, Audra turned the situation around, causing Adam to receive a painful end. He quickly requested a merger of SNA with Newman Media, but was denied. Victor feels this is too risky and doesn't want to mention it. But surprisingly, Adam agreed with that. He admitted that he had it all wrong and tried to correct it. But it was too late when Victor once again took back everything Adam had. Recently, Sharon even asked to withdraw her company and be her own boss. Even though he didn't want to, Victor had no other choice. He hopes Nick will return to work, but will he deny this? How will things turn out in the near future? Nate was also affected after this when his position also changed. After all, Victor never trusted this man. Victoria will also decide to leave, and hopefully Nate will too. Victor feels angry about his children's actions, but now he is the one who needs to review what he has done. Victor also took back his position as Victoria's manager. However, this strained their relationship. She feels disappointed and cannot accept this. After all, she worked hard, but Victor still didn't trust her. We believe that the upcoming plot will not disappoint you too much. Nikki also hopes that Victor should reconsider things, but he will probably refuse that. She feels worried as her children move further and further away from them. Maybe if they left at this time, Victoria would have more time to calm down about everything. But when they return, how will things turn out? Take time to find answers to everything. Maybe Victor's stubbornness won't let him do that. Can Victoria also take advantage of this opportunity to change the situation? Please leave your comments below to let us know. Sharon will also ask for support from Nick, although she is still not sure what she will do for her company. As for the fans, what do you think about what's going on? Nick will accept that this could cause the two of them to become closer, but what if they both fall in love and he leaves Sally's life? Perhaps there will be many interesting things happening in Genoa City. Many new couples will appear and make things more attractive. We will soon update you with the latest information, so don't miss anything.